The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, June 9th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather very warm for the weekend. We might see a shower late Sunday, the better chance over the southern half of the state. But next week, almost every day, some chance of scattered showers and storms. Let's check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view today. A very dry air mass remains in place over the eastern U.S. The trough over the northeast United States lifting away from Alabama. With bright sunshine, temperatures are mostly in the low and mid-80s today. The exceptions are Haleyville and Fort Payne. They're only in the upper 70s. Birmingham at 83. Over the weekend, we'll be in the upper 80s tomorrow and Sunday. And the dew points are still low. That makes it feel pretty comfortable. The dew point in Birmingham is 55, but those numbers will be creeping up slowly over the weekend. On the watch warning map, again, there is an air quality alert for the Birmingham Metro today, a code orange for ground level ozone. That's the reason for Jefferson and Shelby counties being highlighted. Other than that, things pretty quiet around the nation today. Convective outlook for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. Got a risk of severe weather way up north and also a marginal risk over parts of central Texas. Tomorrow, a couple of marginal risks, again, well to the north. And on day 3, note that green is creeping up into south and central Alabama. That means the chance of a few scattered afternoon storms for about the southern half of the state. A marginal risk of severe weather, again, well to the north across parts of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes region. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, about 1 inch. This is valid through Friday morning of next week. And understand next week these storms will be scattered. Rain distribution uneven. Some folks could see a lot more than that. Some folks could maybe see less than that. But every day, some risk of showers and storms around. And in the tropics, the Atlantic basin remains very quiet. No tropical storm formation expected anytime soon. Model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. Got a pretty good trough in the northwestern states, a broad trough over Texas, and down below that, we're still in very dry air. With a sunny sky, we start the day in the 60s, the high in the upper 80s tomorrow. It's going to feel more like mid-June. Sunday, moisture begins to return from the south, and there might be a few scattered storms over roughly the southern half of the state by afternoon. This is the high-res NAM, valid at 5 o'clock Sunday, suggesting scattered showers and storms mainly south of Interstate 20. So be aware of that possibility. The northern third of the state most likely will stay dry. And again, Sunday's high should be in the upper 80s. Monday, the muggies are back. High dew points, a mix of sun and clouds, a chance of scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. Highs in the 80s. That'll be the case every day next week. There's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And every day we'll see the sun out at times, and every day scattered showers and storms, especially during the peak of the daytime heating process. And this is a week from today, Friday, June 16th. And again, kind of broad troughing here. And again, a moist air mass, same deal. Intervals of sun with scattered showers and storms. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Monday, June 19th. Pretty good troughing over the east. That looks pretty good. No sign of any heat bubble there. And a drier air mass works in here if this verifies. And again, the GFS has been advertising very consistently some type of tropical low down around the Yucatan. And do we dare do it? Let's have some voodoo land adventures. Anytime we show maps way out beyond 10 days, we'll call it the voodoo land. This is Thursday, June 23rd. This run of the GFS takes that tropical low and pushes it back toward the coast of Mexico, south of Brownsville, Texas. But nobody knows what happens. That is nothing but speculation, just something to watch. Check the numbers. Highs in the 80s across the board just about every day with lows next week around 70. Nights will not be as cool as they have been recently. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be posted here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.